Welcome to the podcast from infofina.com. SoftBank walked into the credit market with a $10 billion ask. It walked out with $6 billion. That difference is $4 billion, and it is the market's verdict on what private AI equity is worth when used as collateral. This is the story of how AI financing is cracking at the foundation. Here is the mechanism. A margin loan lets you use equity as collateral to borrow cash. It works beautifully for public stocks because lenders track real-time prices and can liquidate positions instantly if values fall. The whole system is built around daily price discovery. But private AI stakes lack a public share price or trading volume, and they have no clear exit path. The infrastructure simply does not exist, so lenders cannot margin what they cannot price, so they cut 40% off the top. The credit default swap market noticed. SoftBank's CDS widened 61 basis points in 2026. S&P moved SoftBank's outlook to negative, citing liquidity concerns tied directly to OpenAI exposure. The market stopped treating concentrated AI bets as a growth premium and started treating them as default risk. That is a fundamental shift in how the financial system sees this sector. Now look at the broader picture. OpenAI has a $20 billion revenue target for 2026 against more than $400 billion in three-year infrastructure commitments. The revenue is theoretical and the debt obligations are contractual. Lenders price that gap and they price it hard. Software stocks collapsed nearly 30% between October 2025 and February 2026. Public valuations drive private marks, and that repricing moved from equity markets into credit markets in less than 6 months. 46% of outstanding software loans mature within 4 years. 40% of private credit borrowers already carry negative free cash flow. The refinancing wall is not coming, it is here. Leverage is replacing venture capital as the primary engine of AI financing, but lenders are writing their own rules with stricter collateral requirements, clearer cash flow conversion, and exit paths that do not depend on another private round at a higher number. Where lenders draw those lines will define what gets built in 2027. For more AI news, visit infofina.com. Infofina.com